Hey guys, we're going to come out here and play with some of our animals for a little bit. And see, there's Dustin and Kaiser.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
Oh. There's Bright Eyes.
Yeah.
And she's locking out. Oh, she almost fell over. That is one of our fainting goats right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kaiser, what's her name?
Ricky.
What? No, that's one of the donkey's names. That's Bright Eyes. And our Billy Goat is testing his skills out on his post over here.
And he's trying to break out. He's trying to break out.
Yeah.
Already broke out once. Hopefully he doesn't do it again though.
What
If
is
he
it,
does,
Bailey?
Just fix it.
We'll fix it again.
We will?
Being a turd.
You want to go petting, Kaiser?
Say hey Bailey.
Hey, babe.
How old is your goat?
I don't know how old is he? He's 3.
He's 3 years old?
Yeah.
He's almost like you.
How old are you?
4.
You're what?
4.
You're 4?
Yeah.
Do you help out here?
I had 2 birthdays.
Yeah.
And I have 4.
So you had 4 birthdays.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you help out here?
Yeah.
What do you help with?
So we can build this gate.
You helped build that gate?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
With your muscles?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
It's just too close. He just tried to bite me in the butt.
See if we can catch Bailey. Yeah.
He's big enough.
Yeah, he pretty much destroys everything that he's around. So much fun. All right. Good boy, Wonky. Tell him good boy, Kaiser. Yeah. All off of him.
Ready?
Wow. Good boy, Wonky.
Pet him.
What?
He's trying to get Wonky to fight on you.
What?
See if Lucy and Ricky want to see us.
It's time to sting me again.
What does it sound like? Okay, remember, go slow.
Oh, you're gonna scare him. Come here, Ricky girl. Come here,
The
Ricky.
gray one is a baby.
Yep.
Why?
Good girl. Good girl. Oh, Wonky, are you jealous? Come here, pet her.
I want to hold the camera.
Good girl.
Hold the camera.
You will. Hang on.
In a little bit. Yeah, sweet girl.
Pet her.
Look at my hand. Yeah, there's your sweet mama. There's your sweet girl. When is it? Pet her, Kaiser. Pet her. She is as old as you are. She's gonna be 4 this year. Just like you. And y'all are about the same height.
And she's full grown.
She just smelled right there, and her nose is wet.
Yeah.
There's our donkey's home.
Yeah, there's the donkey's home.
We just built it. Can't taste the nuts because we just built it.
Because what?
We just built it. Right?
You just built the fence?
It's getting soaking wet.
There's Janice right there. You want to try to catch Janice?
Dennis.
Hey, I thought you were going to catch a chicken.
I'm trying to, but
Yes, you can.
I can't catch one.
Yes, you can.
You've caught one before.
Do we have to stay still?
No, they're going to run from you.
How many chickens do we have?
1, 2, 3.
Well, there's 3 right there, yeah.
How many do we have total?
There's some more of them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
That's 5. That's 6.
Yep. We have 9
Yep.
all together. They're having fun grazing. Hi, girls.
Hi.
What are you doing, Thelma? She's our boar goat. And then the two little ones, my son's getting onto me for walking too fast. The 2 little ones are fainting goats. That's a Bright Eyes. I think you can't really see them. That's Bright Eyes. She's looking at me. She started losing her mucus plug the other day, so we should have some babies pretty soon. Hi, Thelma. Hi, sister. And then Lala is taking a nap right behind her. She's so sweet, huh? Okay. We've got some stairs for them to climb on. They love it. A little type roller coaster. And a tire. That's Maverick, our German Shepherd. He's a long-haired German Shepherd. He's an old man. He's a retired canine. He was our first baby before we had kids. Okay, so at some point we're going to get on and do an intro and kind of explain everything that we're doing and how we got started. Did I already say that?
No.
Oh, okay. And then just kind of give us a background, give you guys a background of everything that we've got going on and what we plan on in the future, and so you can follow us on our small farm homestead journey. So in the spring we'll be having babies and planting gardens and canning and all kinds of stuff.
It's wild and crazy all at the same time.
Yeah.
Because most of the time we don't know what they're doing. So it's going to be a good laugh.
Well, and sometimes we don't know what we're doing. So there's, we live and learn. Hey, okay, it's just me, I guess.
See what I mean? Thank y'all. Follow us. Subscribe. Enjoy our journey with us.
Yep. See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.